Hi, my name is Maria Montes, and I want to use this short video to share with you a great update. After hosting my first free online lecture in March, I had over 60 participants. I realized that 73% of them are actually international students. And that's the reason why I've decided to host a second free online lecture on Saturday, April the 18th. This time, this lecture is designed for European and US audiences at their time zone friendly, so they can join live and ask me all the questions you might have. Okay, so what's about this lecture? This lecture is 90 minutes long and is divided in 4 modules. The first module is a presentation about my trajectory and how I use my calligraphy skills to inform other visual disciplines, such as type design, branding, visual communication, and artistic production. I will talk about the benefits of practicing calligraphy because what we are doing is not just training our hand, but sharpening our eye. On the second module is all about you. It's about how do you start and how do you learn calligraphy, what it means is structured progression in calligraphy. And I will use the less sexy term in the whole lecture, which is long-term consistency. The importance of using your own work to propel you forward. What I called progress is the motivation. And I will share with you many tips and tricks and tools I use in my last 16 years of practicing and working with calligraphy. I will also show you examples of my students' work and their progression. Okay, third module. The third module in this free lecture is about a practical demo. On the first lecture, I showed a few principles by using different writing tools. We use a pointed flexible nib and a broad nib. And with those tools, I explain concepts such as contrast, slant, what it means cursive. On this second lecture, I'm also going to explain a few new principles, what it means ligatures, what is the relationship between width, counterform, and letter spacing, what it means typographic and calligraphic color. So I'm gonna use different concepts and a writing tool to show you in a practical way. And finally, the fourth module. So the fourth module is about explaining you details about my upcoming in-person and online long format calligraphy course. My course starts on May 2nd. If you live in Melbourne, you are welcome to join me in person. But if you live overseas, you are very welcome to either join me live online if it's compatible with your own time zone, or join me by watching the weekly recordings. I'm gonna make sure that I schedule weekly sessions with all my online students to ask how their progression is going and to answer questions and to give feedback on their weekly homework. I'm going to cover many styles in a historical way, starting with Roman capitals and experimenting with a brush, with a flat brush, and then going into a broad nib and understanding and studying foundational hand. We are going to go then into Gothic or black letter. And after that, I have introduced the only style that is not historically in order, which is Neuland. Because in my opinion, Neuland is an answer to black letter. After that, we are going into italic calligraphy, followed by copperplate calligraphy, level 1, level 2, and level 3. And then finally, we are going into a script brush lettering. With this course, I'm going to be with you step by step along the whole learning process. I'm going to answer questions, I'm going to give you constant feedback, and I'm going to walk you through all these 4 months together. At the end of the course, I'm going to ask for a minimum of 3 calligraphy pieces finished. You choose the style that you feel more inclined or interested, or the styles that you're interested in, and then we are going to develop a few pieces. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, my second free online lecture is Saturday, 18th of April at an European and US time zone friendly for you to join live and ask me any more questions you might have. I'll leave the link below on this video. And also you can go to my educational website called writingcalligraphy.com. And on the pop-up, you will find the link to register. I hope to see you there. Thank you.